I wanted to find out if AI could actually build a real game from scratch. Let's build one together. Let's give AI one clear instruction and see what it creates. Let's give and see what it creates. One detailed prompt can save hours of manual work. AI built the first playable version in just a few minutes. AI built a few minutes. Now let's improve it. The first version worked. Now let's make it feel like a real game. Let's test this game. AI can also help debug and improve your game. Can we add the final polish? Include menus, sound effects, and animations? Small improvements can make a game feel complete. So, information. From one idea to a playable game, AI handled most of the heavy lifting. What would you build next? "30 minutes ago, this game didn't exist. Now it's playable." If AI can build this, imagine what we build next.